behind me are by Klaus Oldenburg, and Klaus Oldenburg was a pop artist, and the pop artists worked primarily in response to the abstract expressionists, and abstract expressionism was a very personal art movement. The artists were literally pouring their emotions onto the canvas. It was a movement that was in direct response to World War II and the tragedies, obviously, that are surrounding that very difficult period in our history. The pop art movement wanted to make artwork that was more immediately accessible to the public, artwork that didn't need to be explained, and that the public could readily appreciate and enjoy. So most of the subject matter in pop art is recognizable imagery, everyday objects, and so forth. Now, Klaus Oldenburg visited a car dealership, and when he walked into this car dealership and saw this clean, pristine vehicle inside an air-conditioned building, he thought that the car became a sculpture in a way, and he got the idea to take everyday objects and enlarge them. And he, with the help of his wife, he began sewing out of vinyl large-scale objects that anyone would recognize, such as a hamburger and a light switch, for example. And these vinyl sculptures were called his soft sculptures. The works behind me are made out of metal. They're 18 feet tall. And Oldenburg visited the lawn at the Nelson himself, and he saw our long neoclassical building as if it were a badminton net, and he imagined a giant on this lawn playing badminton across our building, which is why there's one of these badminton birdies or shuttlecocks on one side of the building and two on the other side.